So hi there, this is video 2 on how to, and this is also going to be understand how you understand the various molds you have in block industry, and the sizes of the blocks you are molding, and what are the uses of the sizes of the blocks you're molding, and who will need your the sizes of the block and what the size of blocks are used for. So majorly in Nigeria, we have two types. This is the 6 inches block, and we don't have the 9 inches down now, but this is the 6 inches block, and the other one is 9 inches block. The 6 inches block is generally used for building, and mostly when people want to build upstairs, they want to build buildings that they require a story building. People, engineers will prefer the 9 inches block, because it's more durable. It can withstand the strength of beams and all that. So, and also people who build large septic tanks, what do I mean by septic tanks? Soakaways. They want to use it because it can withstand water and strength and all that. So these are the two blocks. So we have 9 inches and the 6 inches block. Majorly the 6 inches is much more requested for, because that is what people require more. And but for special purposes and from some specific purposes, some engineers will request for the 9 inches block. And so also, as a means of backward um, and this thing, now for every 6 inches block you need a 6 inches molder, and the mold is where the cement and the sand will be molded, will be in, so that they can form this block you are seeing. So also we have the 9 inches block production molder. So an example of 9 inches molder is this. As you can see, it is here. This is the 9 inches. This is the molder. It can be removed, and you fit in. When you remove it, by removing this top compartment of the machine, then you remove it. You remove in this equipment called rammer, and then you remove this block molder. You can then fit in your 9 inches, or as per what you need. And so that'll be all for now in this video. So I hope, as a means of recapturing you, as a means of summary, I know you'll be able to understand the two major blocks we have: the 6 inches block and the 9 inches block. The 9 and the 6 inches, the 9 and the 6 inches block. They are the two major blocks. For every 9 inches, you use a 9 inches molder. For every 6 inches, you use a 6 inches molder. Okay.